LTRY stock analysis and LTRY stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Lottery.com is nice. Although it's like a 15% correction, I don't really freaking care because it's still inside a demand zone, and as long as the rules are met, I'm still very open-minded for longs. I've not seen my rules being met currently, so I mean, even if I, for example, now coming into the next week, I get my rules met, then it's going to be even a better approach, you know, a deeper one. But again, it all depends. It's very subjective. People just might take this as gospel, which I really am against. Please do your own due diligence. But you see, I have other ticker symbols, other receipts regarding like LTRY in the Discord. And if you do want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10k per month trading without indicators, just 1 to 2 hours per day, trading days, 5 days out of the week, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights.